English Estonian. Do equals.
tegema.
Future forms made easy. Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to fluent habits. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com anytime. Hey you, high five. Today you level up your Estonian super verb, do, make equals.
tegema.
Keep your coffee ready and your smile loaded, we'll make future meaning easy and funny. Your mission today. You'll master one verb and 6 turbo useful forms. Say them out loud with me. Base verb.
tegema.
Equals to do, to make. He, she will do.
ta teeb.
It will make.
see teeb.
We will do.
me teeme.
You, plural, will do.
te teete.
They will do, make.
nad teevad.
Pro tip. Estonian often uses present forms for the future, context and time words do the heavy lifting. Pronounce and remember. Lock it into your mouth and memory, mini rhythm time. Beat it out, tegema.
tegema.
Clap on each syllable. Call and response. I say it, you echo it twice.
ta teeb. ta teeb.
Rhyme cue. Ready to go, ready to flow, time to.
tegema.
And steal the show. Mini dialogues. Laugh a little and talk a lot. Repeat the Estonian parts out loud. A. Who's on dishes? B. Relax.
ta teeb.
A. Sweet, then I'll DJ the sponge. A. Will that tiny tweak help? B. Jaw.
see teeb.
Rekendu's Kirimax. A. Speed is my love language. A. Can we finish today? B. Mudugi.
me teeme.
Cell era. A. I bring coffee, you bring glory. Coach, team.
te teete.
Isamis harjutus, mina loan punkte. Team. Challenge accepted. Manager. Materials just arrived. Team. Great.
nad teevad.
Prototubi parist lunat. Rapid drills. You and me, quick fire. IQ in English, you blast Estonian. Ready? We will do it tomorrow.
me teeme selle homme.
He will do the task.
ta teeb ülesande.
It will make the app faster.
see teeb rakenduse kiiremaks.
You, plural, will do the exercises.
te teete harjutused.
They will make a decision.
nad teevad otsuse.
Base reminder chant.
tegema, tegema, tegema.
Culture tip. A tiny phrase, a big vibe. Estonia has a famous can-do spirit, people say.
teeme ära.
Meaning, let's get it done. It comes from.
tegema.
So when you say,
me teeme.
you're channeling national productivity, CAPE not included, results guaranteed. Quiz time. No pressure, just play. Say or think the answer before I reveal it. 1. Estonian for, to do, to make.
tegema.
2. He will do, in Estonian?
ta teeb.
3. It will make a difference, short clause.
see teeb.
Vahet. 4. We will do it together.
me teeme.
Sel kus. 5. Talking to a group. You will do the first part.
te teete.
Isamis osa. 6. They will make a plan.
nad teevad.
Plani. The 30-second challenge. You've got this. Chain them smoothly with confidence. Say the base.
tegema,
Now the set.
ta teeb, see teeb, me teeme, te teete, nad teevad.
Make a mini promise. After lunch, we will do it.
Pärast lõunat me teeme selle.
Finish with flair. Yes, he will do it, no drama.
Jah, ta teeb seda ilma draamata.
Wrap up. You nailed it, future meaning with clean, punchy forms. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
tegema,
With its power crew.
ta teeb, see teeb, me teeme, te teete, nad teevad.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. You've got this. See you next time.